Hello, welcome to my shop. Please have a look around.
Thank you. These lamps are really beautiful.
I'm glad you like them. They are all handmade.
Really? That's nice. They look very special.
Yes, each one is different. I make them myself.
I really like this small, colorful lamp. The colors are so bright.
Ah, good choice. That one is very popular.
How much is it?
That one is $25.
25? That's a little expensive for me.
I understand, but it is very good quality. It is made of glass and metal.
Yes, I can see that. It looks strong. But I don't have much money today.
How much can you pay?
Maybe $20?
20 is too low for this lamp.
I see. What about $22?
22. Okay, I can give it to you for $22.
Really? That's great. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm happy we found a good price.
Me too.
Would you like some candles as well? They match the lamp very nicely.
Oh, let me see. Yes, they are nice.
They look beautiful together.
How much are the candles?
They are $3 each.
If I buy two, can you give me a small discount?
You like bargaining, I see.
Just a little.
Okay, 2 candles for $5.
That's a good price. I'll take two.
Perfect. So, 1 lamp for $22 and 2 candles for $5.
Yes, that's right.
Would you like a bag for everything?
Yes, please. That would be helpful.
Here you are. I wrapped the lamp carefully.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy with my purchase.
I'm glad to hear that. Enjoy your new lamp.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Come back anytime.
Can you drive a little slower, please?
Oh? Am I driving too fast?
Just a little. I feel a bit nervous.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was going that fast.
It's okay. The traffic is just very heavy today. There are cars everywhere.
Yeah, you're right. It is pretty busy. I'll reduce the speed.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem. I don't want you to feel uncomfortable.
I just don't like driving in the city. It makes me stressed.
I understand. City traffic can be crazy sometimes.
Yes, especially at this time of day.
Don't worry. I'm paying attention.
Also, there's a red light up there.
Yes, I see it. I'm slowing down and stopping now.
Good. Thank you.
See? Safe and smooth stop.
I know you're a careful driver. I just feel a little stressed today.
Oh? Is something wrong?
I have an important meeting soon, and I'm thinking about it.
Ah, that explains it.
Yes, I really don't want to be late.
We won't be. We left early, remember?
That's true. I guess I'm just nervous.
That's normal before an important meeting.
I keep thinking about what I will say.
You'll do great. You're always prepared.
I hope so.
Relax for a second. Take a deep breath.
Okay. In and out.
Good. See? That helps.
Yes, actually, I feel a little better now.
That's good. And look, traffic is moving again.
Oh, yes, that's a good sign.
We're almost there. Just a few more minutes.
Really?
Yes. You'll have time to relax before your meeting.
Thank you for driving carefully.
Of course. Your comfort is important.
Okay, I'm calmer now.
Good. That's what I like to hear.
Hello. Welcome to our car wash. How can I help you today?
Hi. I'd like to wash my car, please.
Of course. No problem. We actually have 3 different options.
Oh, really? What are they?
Well, the first option is a basic wash. It includes water and soap. It's simple, but it cleans the car nicely.
Okay, just water and soap.
Yes. The second option is a full wash. That one includes water, soap, and drying at the end.
Drying? So the car won't stay wet?
Exactly. We dry it with special machines and cloths.
Oh, that's better.
And the third option is our premium wash.
Premium? What does that include?
It includes water, soap, drying, and wax.
What is wax?
Good question. Wax is something we put on the car after washing it. It makes the car shiny and protects the paint.
Oh, so it makes the car look new?
Yes, exactly. And it stays clean for a longer time.
That sounds nice. My car looks a little dull these days.
Then the premium wash could be a good choice.
How much is the premium wash?
It's $15.
$15. Okay, that's fine. I'll take the premium wash.
Great choice. Your car will look fantastic.
I hope so.
Please park your car over there, near the blue sign.
Over there? Okay, I see it.
Perfect. It will take about 10 minutes.
Only 10 minutes? That's fast.
Yes, we try to be quick.
That's good.
You can wait inside if you like. We have chairs and cold drinks.
Oh, nice. I'll wait inside then.
Sure. We'll call you when it's ready.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your wait.
Thanks. I'm excited to see my shiny car.
You won't be disappointed.
Good evening. Thank you for calling the bank. How can I help you today?
Hi, yes, good evening. I have a problem with my credit card.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what happened?
Well, I checked my account today and I saw a payment on my card, but I didn't buy anything.
I see. That must be worrying. Do you know the amount of the payment?
Yes, it's $120.
$120. All right. And when did you notice this payment?
I saw it today, just a few hours ago.
Okay, let me ask you something. Have you used your card online recently?
No, I haven't. That's why I'm confused.
I understand. Sometimes this can happen if someone gets your card information.
Oh, that doesn't sound good.
Don't worry, we will check everything. Can you please confirm your full name?
Yes, it's Daniel Brown.
Thank you, Mr. Brown. Please wait a moment while I check your account.
Okay, I'll wait.
Thank you for waiting. I can see the payment here.
Yes?
It does look suspicious.
Oh no, what should I do now?
First, I will block your card so no more payments can be made.
Okay, please do that.
I'm blocking it now. All right, it's done.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
You're welcome. We will also send you a new card.
Really?
Yes, you should receive it in a few days.
That's good.
In the meantime, please check your account regularly.
I will.
And be careful when you use your card online.
Yes, I'll be more careful from now on.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. I'm glad we could solve the problem.
Me too.
Have a nice evening, Mr. Brown.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good afternoon, sir. May I see your driver's license, please?
Yes, of course, officer. Here you are.
Thank you. Do you know why I stopped you?
I'm not really sure. Did I do something wrong?
You were driving a little too fast on this road.
Oh, really? I'm sorry. I didn't notice. I didn't see the speed limit sign.
The speed limit here is 50 kilometers per hour.
I understand. I must have missed the sign. I'm very sorry about that.
It's important to watch the speed, especially in this area.
Yes, you're right. I'll be more careful.
May I ask where you're going today?
I'm on my way home from work.
I see. Still, please remember to check your speed.
Yes, officer. I will pay more attention next time.
All right, I'm going to check your license in the system. Please wait here for a moment.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you for waiting.
Of course.
Everything looks fine. Your documents are in order.
That's good to hear.
Today, I'm going to give you a warning, not a ticket.
Oh, thank you, officer. I really appreciate that.
But please remember, this is just a warning.
Yes, I understand. I won't make the same mistake again.
Good. Safety is very important.
I agree. I'll drive more carefully from now on.
All right then, you may go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Drive safely.
I will. Goodbye.